My positive thoughts and imagination soon become a reality. Even at this moment, I am becoming more and more successful. The world is changing based on me. It's not that I don't have money, I just left it to someone else for a while. Even in pain or sadness, a positive mind makes me stronger. With sound thoughts and plans, I succeed. I'm sure it will work out, so I will definitely succeed. I have a good sense of ethics, so I will definitely succeed. By forming good human relationships, I can definitely succeed. I succeed by overcoming calculated risks without avoiding them. I have no choice but to succeed because I am constantly training my inner self. I succeed because I use my time efficiently and manage it well. I always keep a positive attitude and I will definitely succeed. I'm open to feedback, and I'm willing to improve, so I'll be successful. Failure and despair bring me success. I take responsibility for my words and actions, so success is up to me.